Right, so today we're going to look at how you can basically show an image through text and how you can use different effects to add to that if you wish to. So here is an image where it's very seasonal, and I've used the word snow and projected sort of the image through it. And we're going to have a look at how to do that now. So I'm just going to open my history tab and take it back to the start. So this is the original picture and we're going to start from here. So this is the way I would do it. First thing, you've got your image and the background's locked, so let's unlock it by pressing the little padlock and then create a new layer. That layer, I'm going to use the paint bucket tool. It's already selected white, but make sure it is, and fill it, and you can no longer see your image. Then drag your original image above it because the white layer is always going to be at the back. Next, I'm going to create my first text layer. You can place that wherever you want, whatever suits your image. And I'm going to start by using the word, I'll just do snow again, snow. You can edit that as you please if you want to edit that. One of the ways you can do it. So my text is still selected. I've done Command All to highlight my text, and then I'm going to increase the size. You can type it in manually, or you can just use your arrow keys with up to make that bigger, which I'm going to do now. Ooh, there we go. So that's snow. You can use alignment tools, for example, depending on what you're using on. You can change your font, and you can change whether it's bold, italic, for example. There are more complicated ways where you can edit your text, and there's another image and text tutorial that I will explain that on. So I'm happy with that. Let's tick it. That's done. I'm just going to move that roughly where I want it. Next, select your layer and hold Command and press J to duplicate that layer. Next, on that layer, not over the T, but over the text, here it says snow copy, hold Control and right click it, and then you want to rasterize that type. So you have that rasterized now. Following that, you want to click back to your original layer of your image and you want to drag that above it. Again, right clicking on that image, you want to create a clipping mask, and then your words will appear. Using the move tool while you're selected on that layer, you can move the image to where you want it. And using the text one, if you select, sorry, the rasterized one rather, you can move the wording around to sit where you would like it to go. So I'm going to put that there. Next, after following that, you can look at expanding that out on your words. So on the rasterized layer, while that's still on white, you can select your paintbrush tool and find you. There you are. I've already got it set to this brush tool, but all your brush tools can be found here. So you can select whichever one you like, and you can enlarge that, or you can make it smaller, depending on what you want to do. I want something that looks a little like snowfall, so I'm going to go with this one. No, I think that one. And it's up to you how high you want your opacity, but I've set my opacity quite low. If you do it quite high, it'll come very harsh, or you can set it lower and you can build it up slowly. But there you have it. Text coming through an image.